Are you tired of searching for a hassle-free and limitless way to add voiceovers to your videos without breaking the bank? Look no further! In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of adding a voiceover to your video for free, and the best part is, there's no time limit. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to www.clipchamp.com. Once you're on the website, hit the Try for Free button to get started. You can either use your existing email or log in with your Microsoft or Google account. Choose the account you prefer and click Allow to proceed. In the Clipchamp dashboard, click on the Create a New Video button. If you have a preferred video editing tool, you can just use Clipchamp for creating your voiceovers. Navigate to the left tool section and select Record and Create. Now, choose Text-to-Speech. A text editor will appear on the right side. Write your script, select your preferred language, and choose a voice from the provided list. You can even listen to the voices before choosing one by clicking Hear this voice. In the advanced settings, you can add emotion and adjust vocal pitch. Not all voices have emotion options. You can also adjust the pace of your voiceover. Click the preview button to listen to how your script will sound with the selected voice. If you're satisfied, hit the save button. Once your audio is in the timeline, you can perform edits like cutting sections or deleting. When you're done, click the export button. Select your preferred quality and wait for the export to finish. Save the file on your computer. Remember, it's an MP4 format, and we need an audio file, so let's convert it. Search for Video to MP3 Converter on your browser, choose Free Convert, drag your file, and press Convert. After conversion, click Download to get your voiceover audio file. Now, you can seamlessly add your voiceover to your video. Remember, the maximum duration for a single voiceover is 10 minutes. For projects exceeding this limit, follow these steps. Estimate the duration of each section of your script to ensure it doesn't exceed 10 minutes. Cut the script at appropriate points, typically ending with a period for smoother transitions. Choose a voice, language, emotion, pitch, and pace for each section. It's crucial to remember the settings you select to avoid any abrupt changes in the tone of your voiceover. Click the Save button after finalizing each section. Zoom out to view your entire timeline. Click on the very end of the first section of your voiceover. Now, input the script for the next section in the text box. Adjust the settings to match those of the first section to maintain a seamless flow. Click Save to apply the changes. Continue this process for each subsequent section of your script. You'll notice additional audio segments being added to your timeline, each corresponding to a different part of your voiceover. You can add as many script sections as necessary to complete your voiceover. This flexibility allows you to create extensive and engaging narrations without being restricted by time limitations. Congratulations! You've successfully created a voiceover to your video for free and without any time constraints. There might be numerous free-to-use voiceover tools available, but many of them are limited, and some produce unnatural sounds. By sharing this method with you, you'll obtain voiceovers that are not only free, but also remarkably close to sounding human. If you found this video tutorial helpful, kindly consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more insightful tutorials.